How to add and manage cards in the Valor Vault. Once logged in as a merchant, if you have access to a virtual terminal, you should also have access to the Valor Vault. This tool stores customers' credit card information using tokenization, providing higher security and faster over-the-phone transactions. There are several ways to add cards to the vault. One way is through the transaction module. After running a new transaction, if the card isn't already in the vault, you'll see an Add to Vault option below the transaction screen. This lets you save the card information, customer name, company name, phone number, email address, and billing and shipping information. The purpose is to allow you, when using the virtual terminal, to easily select the stored customer and choose from up to 5 saved cards for transactions. The customer's address information will also appear, and you can customize the address headers to match the address verification service. Another way to add cards is directly through the vault in your customer list. If you're using QuickBooks integration, you can sync customers between QuickBooks and Valor, making it easy to keep your customer lists updated in both systems. You can also add customers by clicking the arrow on the vault and selecting Add Customer. This opens a form to enter customer details including name, company, phone, card number, expiration date, billing, and shipping info. Once saved, the card is added to the vault. There are 2 more ways to add cards via the virtual terminal. If you use recurring payments, you can select a device from a drop-down list, for example, the VP550. At the device level, you can tap, swipe, chip, or key in card details. From the main menu, select Payments, then Vault, then Add Card. Enter the customer's name, phone number, and email. This creates the merchant card in the vault, ready for future transactions.